Number 1.
1992 Toyota pickup, price $6,200, with only 102,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle features a manual transmission, a gray exterior paired with a gray interior, and runs on gasoline, making it both reliable and fuel efficient. The truck is equipped with a 22 or EFI engine, known for its durability and strong performance, and both the engine and transmission are reported to be in superb condition.
It delivers solid power while remaining highly economical on fuel.
The title is clean, and the registration is valid through November 2026. Additional highlights include a very cold air conditioning system, a modern Bluetooth touchscreen stereo, and upgraded Bilstein shock absorbers on both the front and rear for improved ride quality.
The interior is exceptionally clean, reflecting the overall well-maintained condition of the vehicle. Number 2.
1999 Dodge Dakota, price $10,000, showing 166,000 miles and equipped with an automatic transmission, a red exterior, a gray interior, and a gasoline engine. The truck has undergone extensive recent maintenance totaling nearly $6,000, along with a complete repaint in its original flame red color. In addition to its solid upkeep, the vehicle has been upgraded with a Beltec lowering kit and sits on 20x9 wheels, enhancing both its stance and driving presence. It also features a custom dual exhaust system installed by Muffler Tech. A major highlight of this Dakota is its high-end custom audio system, professionally built by Gately Audio. The setup includes three 12-inch Gately subwoofers, Kicker Warhorse and Arc audio amplifiers, 10 focal speakers for mids and highs, a Titan 8 lithium battery, a Mechman alternator, and a JVC head unit. All components are housed within a custom Gately enclosure designed specifically for the extended cab area without any structural modifications.
Number 3.
2000 Mazda B3000, price $9,488, presented as a dependable and well-maintained pickup truck, making it an excellent option for both work purposes and everyday driving. With 111,000 miles on the odometer, it features an automatic transmission, a green exterior complemented by a clean gray interior, and is powered by a gasoline engine. The vehicle holds a clean title and has received up-to-date maintenance, showing that it has been consistently cared for over time. In addition, the transmission was replaced at 105,000 miles, which adds significant value and peace of mind for the next owner. It has also passed a STAR-certified smog inspection and recently received a fresh oil change, ensuring it is road-ready with no immediate service needs.
This Mazda B3000 delivers reliable performance and durability.
Whether it's needed for hauling, job site duties, or simply as a daily driver, it stands as a practical and trustworthy choice that won't disappoint.
Number 4.
1992 Ford F250, price $8,500, powered by a strong 7.5L gasoline engine and paired with an automatic transmission. It has approximately 202,000 miles on the odometer and features a clean blue exterior with a well-kept gray interior. The truck stands out for its excellent condition, both inside and out, with clean paint and interior. It successfully passed a smog check in December, and its 4x4 system is fully functional, performing reliably both on-road and off-road. Recently, it has received several upgrades and replacements, including brand new 35-inch Toyo Open Country tires installed by Firestone less than 3,000 miles ago, a new windshield installed by Safelite, a new battery, as well as new headlights and grille. Additionally, the transmission was rebuilt by the previous owner less than 20,000 miles ago.
Number 5.
1992 Toyota pickup, price $7,000. It has accumulated 247,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission. It features a white exterior paired with a blue interior and runs on gasoline. Powered by a 3.0L V6 engine with a 5-speed manual gearbox and 2WD configuration, the truck offers reliable performance along with a cold AC system and a strong heater. The vehicle has been exceptionally well maintained over the years, with only 14,000 miles on its rebuilt engine.
Recent updates include a new timing belt, water pump, and clutch. The tires, brakes, and suspension are all in great condition, and the truck drives straight and true without any rattles or unusual noises. It comes with a clean California title, is currently registered through October, and has already passed its smog check. Number 6.
1994 Ford F250, price $6,500. It has accumulated 268,000 miles. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and features a classic blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior, giving it a cohesive and vintage look. Powered by a 7.3-liter non-turbo diesel engine and configured with a two-wheel drive system, this truck is built for durability and consistent performance, This vehicle has received several important updates, including a new transmission, new starter, new batteries, and a new brake booster along with a master cylinder, ensuring improved functionality and dependability. With current tags in a well-maintained mechanical condition, it stands as a dependable option for those seeking a classic heavy-duty diesel truck.
Number 7. 1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,500, powered by a reliable 4.3L V6 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. It has 187,000 miles on the odometer and runs and drives great, making it a solid choice for daily use or as a dependable work truck. The air conditioning blows cold, ensuring a comfortable driving experience in warmer conditions. The truck features a green exterior that pairs well with its gray interior, giving it a classic and clean appearance. It runs on gasoline and has been maintained to remain roadworthy and functional. Adding to its visual appeal, it sits on 24-inch custom wheels that give it a more modern and eye-catching stance. Overall, this GMC Sierra comes with a clean title in hand and is ready for its next owner. Number 8.
1992 Toyota pickup, price $7,900, with 260,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck comes in a clean white exterior paired with a blue interior. It holds a clean title and was recently smogged on March 24, 2026, ensuring it meets emissions requirements. Over time, several key components have been replaced or upgraded, including a new fuel pump, KN air filter, fuel pressure regulator, ignition module, ignition coil, and rear brake drums. All electrical controls operate properly, adding to the convenience of the vehicle. For added security and modern features, the truck is equipped with a Viper alarm system and a Pioneer Bluetooth touchscreen radio. Additionally, it includes a 3-inch body lift, giving it a more aggressive stance and improved ground clearance.
Number 9.
1993 Ford F250, price $6,000, equipped with an automatic transmission and finished in a gray exterior paired with a gray interior. This 2WD truck is powered by a reliable 5.8L engine and comes with a clean title. With smog requirements already completed, the vehicle has received extensive recent maintenance, including a new rear fuel tank, both fuel pumps, tie rod kit, windshield, spark plugs, wires, distributor cap, and rotor. It has also undergone a fresh oil change, along with transmission fluid and differential fluid flushes, ensuring it is mechanically up to date. Additionally, the truck features a front leveling kit, complemented by new shocks and springs on both the front and rear, as well as helper springs in the rear for improved load support.
Number 10.
1986 Ford F250, price $7,000. It is powered by a strong-running 5.0-liter V8 engine that delivers solid performance and reliability. The truck comes with a clean title, and its registration has already been paid and is valid through 2027, offering peace of mind for the next owner. It has successfully passed smog testing and shows no history of accidents, reflecting its well-kept condition over the years. With the pink slip readily available in hand, the truck has received several recent maintenance updates to ensure it continues to run smoothly. These include a new fuel pump, fuel filter, and air filter, along with a refreshed ignition system featuring a new distributor, wires, spark plugs, central module, and ignition coil.